Are you struggling to sell tickets for your upcoming event? Well, don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we'll show you 4 reasons why your tickets may not be selling and how to fix each one with our top tips. Hey, I'm Shane from Ticket Source, and if you're like most people and organising an event, you want it to be a success. But while the excitement around your event is palpable, your ticket sales are lagging far behind. At Ticket Source, we've facilitated the sale of over 100 million tickets. So in this video, we're going to share the 4 most common mistakes that may be causing your tickets to stall. Not only that, but we're also going to explain how to correct them so that you can get those ticket sales moving again. Let's jump into it. Reason number 1, lack of promotion. The number 1 reason, and possibly the most obvious reason that your tickets aren't flying off the shelves, is that you're not promoting them enough. It's like throwing a party, but not actually telling anybody about it. Not a great strategy. You've done the hard work of organising the event, but that's only the beginning. Now you need to spread the word of your event far and wide so those ticket sales come flooding in. Make sure you're utilising every possible promotional avenue available. Get the buzz going on social media, send out engaging emails, put up posters and flyers everywhere you can, look at paid ads, radio ads, newspapers and magazines, and just rely on good old-fashioned word of mouth. The more promotion, the better. So let's get the party started. Make sure everyone is talking about your amazing event, and those tickets will pretty much sell themselves. Reason 2, unclear information. Many event organisers struggle to sell tickets because their information is unclear or incomplete. This can lead to potential attendees slipping away or feeling lost and disappointed when they show up to an event itself. Don't let this happen to your event. Never underestimate the importance of clear and detailed event descriptions. Attendees deserve to know exactly what they're buying tickets to. That's why it's vital to create compelling event information that will really sell your event. Give your attendees the confidence to know exactly what's going on, to buy tickets and have themselves an amazing experience. Reason 3, too difficult to buy tickets. Selling tickets can be a struggle when the process is complicated and inconvenient for potential buyers. Having to reach out to ticket reps and arrange a time to purchase tickets is a hassle. People's busy schedule don't allow for this extra step. Plus, many ticket reps only accept cash, which is outdated and inconvenient in today's cashless world. That's where selling tickets online comes in. By utilising an online ticket selling platform like Ticket Source, you can make purchasing tickets as easy as possible. Simply set up your tickets online in minutes, and then they're ready to sell. People can buy them anywhere and at any time, 24/7. Say goodbye to complexity and hello to a seamless ticket purchasing experience. If you'd like to try Ticket Source's free and easy to use online ticket selling platform under no obligation, then click the link in the description below. Reason 4, no incentive. No urgency. Finally, the 4th and final reason your tickets may not be selling as well as you wanted is that you don't offer any incentives or add any urgency. Without a sense of urgency or the right incentives, people may not feel compelled to purchase tickets. That's where time-sensitive offers and discounts come in. By creating irresistible offers and discounts like early bird offers and discounted bundle packages, you give potential buyers every reason to act right now. Create urgency by setting time or ticket limitations, ensuring that buyers feel the need to purchase before it's too late. Then get ready to see those ticket sales soar. And that's it, the 4 main reasons why your tickets may not be selling. If you'd like to find out more about crafting a perfect event landing page to maximize sales, then click here for the next video. And as always, thanks for watching.